Hi! In this video, we'll introduce you to some of the most amazing pools in the world, like this beautiful folding pool, a fantastic jacuzzi with a unique design, a grass-covered pool, a very special thermal pool, and this infinity pool on top of a London skyscraper. So sit back and get ready to watch. And remember, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, like this video, and share it with your friends. You've probably seen a lot of pools, but the one I'm going to show you now is super special. While it's still in the works, this pool will be the first 360-degree infinity pool in the world, with an amazing entrance at the bottom of the pool floor. Do you like swim spas? With a lifting mechanism, this pool's cover is attractive and effortless. At the touch of a button, you can enjoy a wonderful pool. This is a perfect example of solid design and functionality, making this a pool you can use year-round. This amazing luxury swimming pool in central London can be converted into a dance floor within minutes. watch the whole process. This pool has a mechanism that lowers the floor and covers the space with water. It's incredible. This pool is designed in a very special way. With a grass cover, it can be easily camouflaged in your backyard or garden. Great to be able to enjoy a pool as special as this one. Do you want to take a swim? Enjoying a jacuzzi is a wonderful experience, but it's even better when it has a unique design. This jacuzzi is designed to be hidden under your deck in a quick and easy way. Do you want a jacuzzi like this? This pool is like no other. It has a folding system that allows it to be hidden underground. It's the perfect way to take advantage of the extra space in your home and leaves room for an outdoor lounge area above the pool.